What's going on, guys? It's Kevin Judah with Stay Charged. This is the Polestar 2 and I'm going to give you guys a quick tutorial. This is your key right here. On the side you have your buttons. This is going to lock, unlock, and open the trunk right here. Alright, so there's two trunks. There's going to be the front trunk and the back trunk. So I'm going to show you guys how to open it. To open the front trunk, you just pull this lever right here and it pops up here. I'm going to show you there's one more step. So this pops open, you just pull it up gently. Right here, you're gonna find a yellow lever, and that's gonna open your front trunk. This is usually where I keep my cables and my repair kit, and this is where you put your windshield washer fluid. And now I'm gonna show you how to properly close it. So it doesn't drop like a normal one. You're gonna bring it back down, you give it a little click. Now you know it's closed. And one of my favorite features on the trunk is that you can open it without your hands. So let's say you come out with some bags from the grocery store, you can just swipe your foot underneath, and it opens on its own. You can push this button right here to close it. You can push this button to close, and then it also locks the vehicle. This is the Polestar logo. Here you can also go through volume, seek track, and over here this is going to be your cruise control. This is going to be your battery percentage. This is your range. This is your mileage, and this is going to be your speed limit. And this is your shifter, and this is the outside temperature. If you move the shifter down all the way, that's going to put the car in drive. If you bump it up one slowly, that puts it into neutral. Let's say you want to go through the car wash. And if you push it all the way forward, that's going to put the car in reverse. You have a really crystal clear camera back here, and it also has detection when you get close to an object. This is your flashers. This is your dial for volume, and you also have quick controls here for front defroster and the back windshield. Here you also have two C cables, so you can charge your phone with these cables right here. For your interior lights, you just tap here or right here, and that will turn them on. You would also tap the center icon, and that will give you more lighting. Alright, this is going to be your tablet that controls pretty much everything in the car. Right now we have the air conditioning pulled up. You can do anything up to max. Here you can adjust the temperature. I keep it at low. You also have heated seats on both front seats. You'll indicate that right there, and there's different intensities. You could do a defroster here, heater, eco climate, and different sections. Now for the car, you're going to click the icon right here. Steering feel is going to be how firm you want the wheel. I usually keep it on standard. One pedal drive is very common with electric vehicles. Some of you guys may be familiar with a Tesla. It's going to be the same thing. I prefer standard. It helps regenerate the brakes, and it gets you better driving range. Here you could also do sports mode if you want to get a little acceleration. Creep is going to be whether you want the car to roll or stop when you're at a red light. When you have it on creep, the car will roll. When you have it on and off, the car will stay still. Now if you click on charge, that's going to give you your charging limit. I have it at 100 right now, but they like to keep it at 90%, and that preserves the lifespan of the battery. But you can adjust it if you want to do 80% or all the way up to 100, and that will save it automatically. This icon right here, when you press that, that's going to give you the entire tablet. So here you have maps, you could do YouTube, Google Assist. Hey Google, driving directions to home. Here you have radio, there's an icon for Sirius XM. You can connect your phone to Bluetooth, and there's also Apple CarPlay. This is going to be your settings. Now it's going to open up network, internet, Bluetooth, sound if you want to move the fader, your display, your lighting, and other features here. I'm going to show you guys how to charge the vehicle. The charging port is going to be on the driver's side rear. You simply just push here, pull open. This is going to be your level 2 charger, something like ChargePoint, Blink charging. Here, if you pull this tab out, this is going to be your CCS combo cord, and that's going to be level 3 charging for fast charging. Now the last thing to unplug when you're done charging, you just want to hit this, and then you can pull the cord out. Thank you guys for renting with us. Check out our other videos and other vehicles for more information.